Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this anime blur video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in some photos, you can add in any video or photo that you want to. And then let me just adjust the sizing of these first so that they're all the same. Okay, let's see how... Okay, I'm also going to make them kind of short, maybe like around 0.5 seconds each-ish. You can adjust that in the edit section, but I'm just going to leave that like that. Select your image or video, go to animation, go to combo, and you're going to select zoom 1, and you're going to have it till the end of the video. You're going to add that to all of your videos. If it's too fast, you can adjust the video or photo according to your liking. Okay, I think that might be a little too fast actually. So I'm just going to adjust it again. And you have to adjust the animation speed. This might be a little bit too long. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to go to the transitions and you're going to find the pull-in video transition, which is under camera, and you're going to add that to your video or photo, and you're going to just apply that to all of it. Then you simply just go to effects and add in the blur, but add it like halfway like this, and you're going to put the blur to around 20%. And you're just going to copy and paste it throughout the whole video transition, and that's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.